Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Health Talks. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Mark, and today we're discussing an important topic, healthy habits for better blood sugar. Joining me once again is Dr. Eliza. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Mark. It's always a pleasure to be here. Today's topic is one of my favorites because healthy habits are something that everyone can learn about and apply in daily life.
I think many people hear the phrase healthy habits, but they may not know exactly what it means.
That's true. Healthy habits are the small actions we repeat regularly. Over time, these actions can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being.
So we're not talking about extreme diets or complicated fitness plans?
Not at all. In fact, sustainable habits are often more effective than dramatic changes. Small improvements practiced consistently can lead to meaningful results.
That's encouraging because many people feel overwhelmed when they think about changing their lifestyle.
Exactly. People sometimes believe they must change everything overnight, but that's usually not necessary.
Let's start with the basics. Why do daily habits matter for blood sugar?
Blood sugar is influenced by many factors, including nutrition, physical activity, sleep, stress levels, and overall lifestyle patterns. Daily habits affect these factors, which is why consistency is so important.
So blood sugar isn't only about food?
Correct. Food plays a major role, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. The body is a complex system where many different factors work together.
What's the first healthy habit you'd recommend?
One of the most important habits is building balanced meals. Balanced meals provide a combination of nutrients that support overall health.
What does a balanced meal look like?
A balanced meal often includes vegetables, a source of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in appropriate portions.
That sounds simple enough.
Sometimes the simplest habits are the most powerful.
What about hydration?
Hydration is another important habit. Water supports many essential functions throughout the body and contributes to overall wellness.
Many people don't drink enough water during the day.
That's true. Staying hydrated is a simple habit that people often overlook.
Another habit I hear about is physical activity.
Absolutely. Movement is one of the best things people can do for their overall health.
We'll definitely talk more about that later.
I'm looking forward to it.
Before we continue, let's ask our listeners a question. What healthy habit are you currently working on?
Share your answer in the comments below.
In the next section, we'll discuss nutrition and food choices that may support healthy blood sugar.
Let's get started.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's dive deeper into healthy habits. Dr. Eliza, let's start with food.
That's a great place to begin. Food provides the energy and nutrients our bodies need every day.
What is one nutrition habit people can start today?
I often encourage people to include more vegetables in their meals. Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and many other beneficial nutrients.
Why is fiber so important?
Fiber can help slow digestion and support a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. It also supports digestive health.
What are some good sources of fiber?
Vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, oats, and whole grains are excellent examples.
What about protein?
Protein is another important nutrient. It can help people feel satisfied after meals and plays many important roles throughout the body.
Can you give some examples?
Certainly. Eggs, fish, chicken, yogurt, beans, tofu, and lean meats are all examples of protein-rich foods.
What about healthy fats?
Healthy fats can be found in foods such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These foods can be part of a balanced eating pattern.
It sounds like variety is important.
Very important. Different foods provide different nutrients, so eating a variety of foods can support overall health.
Let's move to physical activity. Why is movement so important?
Physical activity supports many aspects of health. It helps maintain fitness, supports heart health, improves mood, and helps the body use energy efficiently.
Do people need expensive gym memberships?
Not at all. Walking is one of the most accessible forms of physical activity. Many people can benefit from regular walks.
That's good news.
Absolutely. Physical activity doesn't have to be complicated.
What about people who sit all day at work?
Taking short movement breaks throughout the day can be helpful. Even standing up, stretching, or taking a brief walk can be beneficial.
Small actions again.
Exactly. Small habits often add up over time.
Is consistency more important than intensity?
In many cases, yes. A moderate activity that someone does regularly may be more beneficial than an intense activity they rarely do.
That makes sense.
Sustainable habits tend to be easier to maintain.
Another topic that comes up often is meal timing.
Meal timing can influence how people feel throughout the day. Many people find that consistent eating patterns help support steady energy levels.
Is skipping meals a good idea?
Individual needs vary. What's important is finding a routine that works well for your lifestyle and overall health goals.
So there isn't one perfect schedule for everyone?
Exactly. People have different needs, preferences, and daily routines.
Before we move to our final section, I'd like to ask our audience another question. What's your favorite healthy snack?
We'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments.
Welcome to the final part of today's discussion. We've talked about food and exercise. Now let's discuss sleep and stress.
Excellent topics. Sleep and stress management are often overlooked, but they play important roles in overall health.
Let's start with sleep. Why is sleep so important?
Sleep is when the body performs many recovery and repair processes. Quality sleep supports energy, concentration, mood, and overall wellness.
How much sleep do most adults need?
Individual needs vary, but many adults benefit from approximately 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night.
What are some habits that may support better sleep?
Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, limiting screen time before bed, and establishing a relaxing bedtime routine can all be helpful.
Those sound practical.
That's the goal. Healthy habits should fit into everyday life.
What about stress?
Stress is a normal part of life, but managing stress effectively is important. Chronic stress can affect both physical and emotional well-being.
What are some healthy ways to manage stress?
Physical activity, meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time with loved ones, hobbies, and relaxation techniques are all excellent options.
I think many people believe stress management requires a lot of time.
Not necessarily. Even a few minutes of intentional relaxation can be beneficial.
That's encouraging.
Healthy habits don't have to be complicated to be effective.
If someone wanted to improve their health starting today, what would you recommend?
Start with one small habit. Maybe drink more water. Maybe take a daily walk. Maybe add vegetables to one meal each day. Small changes are often easier to maintain.
That's great advice.
Consistency is the key. Healthy habits become powerful when repeated regularly.
What is the biggest mistake people make?
Many people try to change everything at once. When the changes feel overwhelming, they may give up. Starting small can help build confidence and momentum.
I like that approach.
Progress is more important than perfection.
That's an important message.
Thank you.
Before we finish today's episode, let's ask one final question. What is one healthy habit you plan to start this week?
Share your answer in the comments. Your commitment might inspire someone else.
Dr. Eliza, thank you for joining us today and sharing your insights.
Thank you, Mark. It has been a pleasure discussing this topic.
Today we learned that healthy blood sugar is supported by many daily habits, including balanced nutrition, regular movement, quality sleep, hydration, and stress management.
Remember, health is often the result of many small actions performed consistently over time.
That's a wonderful reminder.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily Health Talks for more health and wellness conversations.
Thank you for listening.
Take care, stay informed, and keep building healthy habits.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next episode.